Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Davlatbek and I'm the first year student of Tashkent State Economics, University of Economics, and I'm here to show you guys in this video I'm going to defend my research and I'm going to defend my final exam. So our teacher PhD Zikriyoyev gave us 20 tasks to complete. So this defending my research is going to be consist of two parts. It is the first part of the video. In this video I'm going to complete the first 5 tasks. So the first task, as you can see, is um, opening World Bank profile and downloading Excel file. So I chose the country of South Africa. Let's start then. Well, World Bank open data. We'll open this site, click this button. And we are going to type our country. So as you can see, it is showing the old data of South Africa. We are going to um, load this page and we will download Excel file, as you can see. So here you can see there is a list of criteria and numbers, as you can see here. We'll move on to data part. As you can see, international homicide is it is the data from 1960 to till now, if I'm not mistaken, till um, 2023. So I chose 7 criteria. Already chose them and adapted to a single Excel file. So here you can see, I'm gonna close that because I don't need it. Here you can see years from 1960 to 2023, and GDP, exports of goods and services, imports of goods and services, population, agriculture, forestry, and fishing and manufacturing value added, and the last one is GDP per capita. So I chose 7 criteria. Well, and the next, so before I complete the video, continue the video, I'm gonna put plus here because I did it. And the second thing we are going to do is to open Stata. Wait a minute. So we are going to import our file, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we are going to browse our file. As you can see, here's South Africa. It loads, so we have to wait a minute. So sorry for the inconveniences. So I'm going to continue to do tasks. So we are going to change it to 65, as here there was 64 or 65 years. So I'm gonna click this button, because if I do not click this, Stata will not accept this law, so it's going to be in the numeric style. So let's okay, so it opens now. My computer is lagging. Yes, So we are going to browse the file. So here you can see Stata did not accept this row, the years row, so we are going to change it. Well, as I said, in the numeric style, it's all okay, like GDP, exports, imports, population, agriculture, manufacturing, GDP per capita, it's all good. And now, so we are going to um, write this code, this string years, replace the comma. So we are going to browse again. So here you can see Stata accepted everything, like even years. So we are going to um, like put plus here. So we started Stata, and we are going to, like, in this now, like, we are going to open do file and log file, and um, and write all these codes, like this is it here, this is line experts of goods and services, and Stata will show me like different kinds of graphs. So if you want me to explain it, comment down plus, and in the next part of the video I'm going to show you how it is done, because our time is limited and I'm not gonna like have this video around an hour or 2 hours, so I have to do it in smaller like frame of time. So the next task is like making the file log file. It's so easy. So I'm going to now like analyze everything. So had I have done word interpretation. So let's edit, enable editing. So the economy, sorry for the inconveniences of South Africa. Well, the like information about me. So introduction: over the years, South Africa has transitioned from an agriculture dependent economy to one that embraces industrialization and all that stuff, blah blah blah, you know. So I collected variables including a 60-year data from worldbank.org, GDP per capita, population, agriculture, I already said it, literature review, hypothesis, H0 is independent and HA is dependent. So result, the first result is table 1. Like, this table indicates summarized information about the research. The number of observations is 64, some of them 34 and 59 depending on the data are provided in the worldbank.com. So you can see the mean of goods is um, like 14.3 billion, and the mean of agriculture is 6.28 billion. The mean of, like, it's all good. Well, the second result is like this shows these graphs, and I'm going to explain it everything in detail. So the first graph is goods exports. The trend shows a significant rise, indicating South Africa's increasing participation in international trade. This could be due to improvements in production capacity, trade agreements, or diversification. As you can see, as time passes, it rises, you know, it exports rises, and as you can see, good imports varies so many times. Imports display fluctuations, as you can see, possible to due to economic cycles, trade policies, or global price variations. So population is like stable, it rises stably as time passes, you know. Well, and consumption expenditure, it also fluctuates, and here you can see GDP per capita till like from it started to gain information from 2001 1 years. Like I'm not really sure, but gave information about it there. So the third result is you can see GDP per capita and population. Here is scatter plot. Like in this graph, there are two variables representing x and y axis, and it is established by dots. As you can see, many dots. So the purpose of this scatter plot is identifying relationships of variables like positive, negative, or no correlation at all, and detect patterns or trends, helping in spotting trends in data distribution. So here is scatter plot and fitted value. Fitted value helps us the overall trend and relationship between the variables. As you can see, like before I explain it why this is started from here, not from there. So fitted values, like it's if it if these dots are located near that fitted values, it's all okay. So as you can see, some there are like what was that, negative, positive, or no correlation. Like it explains everything. So the fourth result is the Pearson pairized correlation, and it is a statistical measure used to calculate the linear relationship between two continuous variables. So in Stata, it quantifies how strongly two variables are related on a scale that is from -1 to 1. So if it's showing 1, then it is perfect positive correlation. If it's showing 0, it's no correlation. And if it is showing -1, it is perfect negative correlation. So as you can see, agriculture is like it is percents, like it's 100% and 25 and 95. I'm sorry. Well, as like it becomes better if it's high. This percentage is high, like it's all good. So the fifth result, so before I explain it, I need to check how many time it's already been. So the result 5, it is Spearman correlation. It is Pearson. Do not like misunderstand it. Spearman correlation assesses how well the relationship between two variables can be described using a monotonic function. It also changed in from -1 to 1. So number of observations is um, 59. So as you can see, it assesses how well relationship between two variables. Well, let's see. Um, the like it assessed how well the relationship between two factors like from agriculture and population, it's 97%, and like the relationship between agriculture and goods exports is 98%, and you can see the others as well. So sixth result is histograms. Like histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of a dataset. It helps visualize how data is spread out and whether it follows a certain pattern or not, like normal distribution or skewed. As you can see, like density, like the density of the histogram is, so it in the x-axis is showing good then inputs. Like here you can see some bar charts. The seventh result is graph box. Like graph box refers to a box plot which is used to visualize the distribution of a numerical variable. It shows the median, quartiles, outliers, and spread of the data. Actually, what they are. Here I will explain in the graph deeply. So, um, like it is the most interesting part. So, um, yes, it is the most important part, and unfortunately, I didn't write So what I'm going to say, so if I say like if I explain it right now, it's going to be like consist of 10 minutes already, but I need to be fast, like explain everything short. If you want me guys to explain it in detail, everything in detail, you can contact me. So or like just comment down below this video. Like contact detail I've given the dot Davlatov like two else dot us. Wait a minute. So where were we in the eighth result? So I'm going to check the timer. Well, swirl command is used to perform the Shapiro will test for normality. This test checks whether a variable follows a normal distribution, like HO, the data follows a normal, HA, like I explained this these things earlier in this video, like and the data does not follow formal a normal distribution. W statistics, a value close to 1 suggests normality, like p-value. If p is not greater than 0 0.05, reject HO, the data is not normal. If p-value is greater than 0.05, it is normal. So um, as you can see, yes, these are p-values. These are p-values. If like W statistics are, if they are close to 1, it suggests normality. As you can see, everything is normal here. And if like p-value, like, so these are p-values, like it's nothing is greater than with any of them is greater than is not greater than 0 point like 0 5, like here you can see the result. A9 is asdoc, is a user written command that helps export regression results and other tables directly to Word file in a well formatted way. The model is highly significant. Agriculture has the strongest impact on the population. Manufacturing has a moderate effect. Goods exports do not significantly impact population. So P is this, P R squared is this. The model explained the very high percentage of population variance. So 10th result is like the command statwidth is used to check for multicollinearity among independent variables in a regression model. So multicollinearity occurs when independent variables in a regression model are highly correlated with each other. This can make it difficult to determine the individual effect of each predictor on the dependent variable. So how to interpret VIF values? If VIF is not greater than 5, it means that no series multicollinearity. Like um like how trustful is your like this research, my research. So it is showing wave is showing 7.91, so it is this between this, so it is moderate multicollinearity. So, well, the 11th result, if the residuals are bell-shaped and symmetric, they are approximately normally distributed, which is ideal for OLS regression. If these are skewness or extreme outliers, your model may violate the normality assumption. Purpose of that is like histogram E hat norm, like here given histogram. So this was histogram E hat. So here histogram E hat norm, like here given the formula of this, and here given like the histogram. So abstract. South Africa has a diverse and steadily growing economy driven by agriculture, industry, and services. So key economic sectors include agriculture, notably citrus fruits, olives, and cereals, and manufacturing, like including automotive and aerospace industries, and I chose them as variables to my research. Well, the South African government has implemented economic reforms and investment-friendly policies to enhance industrialization, attract foreign direct investments. However, ongoing infrastructure projects, economic diversification, and regional trade agreements position South Africa as a leading economy Africa with strong growth potential. Here, there are both information about them, we already looked through them. So keywords of this word interpretation are descriptive statistics, correlation, regression, histogram, like the new words for you, it's collected from Stata, histogram, relationship, residual, swilk, chi density, mean, scatter plot, PV core, and if you guys know like extra keywords, comment down below on this video. So like this is log file, like the codes you're gonna type. I'm gonna explain it in detail in another video if you guys want me to do it. Well, this like Pearson P. Rice correlation, like I explained it in word interpretation, you guys know it. So everything like codes and the Stata will give you graphs and you will explain it. So mean wave, so here is, you can see it is between 5 and 10, so it is normal multicollinearity. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Well, it was I think it was not boring to watch it. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and please like and comment down in this video, and I'll explain it everything deeply in another videos. So in the next video I'm going to do the rest part, so stay tuned and follow for more. Thank you guys.